Right, we're now looking at the PCB here, and Lloyd's going to explain what's going on with the PCB. So take it away, Lloyd.
Well, there's actually two PCBs on this.
Oh yeah.
If you look, obviously you can see the top one, but if you can see sort of down there underneath, there's a second PCB. So this second PCB is actually working this on the display. So as we mentioned on the display, you'll have the status. So remember, we had the D for domestic hot water, we had the C for central heating.
Yep.
And we had the burner light as well.
Yep. That's
So
it.
that PCB is for this, and the top PCB is for the boiler. Now straight away you'll be able to see a difference. The PCB is almost split in half if I put my pencil there. And the main difference is the voltage.
Right.
So if you look on this side, these cables are a lot thicker. So this is higher voltage cable.
Right.
And if you look on the right hand side, you can see that the cables are a lot thinner. So
Oh,
this
yeah.
is lower voltage cable.
Right. Good. So how was that low voltage done?
Yeah, so again, it's done on the PCB. This is a transformer. So basically, all a transformer is doing is taking this voltage and lowering it for this voltage.
Wow. Phew, blown away. How does this guy know so much?
The last thing I would point out is this there. So this is the communication ribbon. So what this is doing is it's essentially allowing these two boards to speak to each other.
Right, get you. Yeah, get it on now. So hopefully, boys, you're looking at this video, hopefully you're really impressed. Right, we're nearing the end of this video. We've gone through the high level operation of this boiler. Hopefully that it's been educational for you guys. So Lloyd, I just want you to, you can sort of say the final word on basically how you've got this information, how you've learnt this information.
Well, not long ago, I was actually afraid to take the cover off a combi boiler. Tony has managed to download the information in an incredibly rapid amount of time. Kind of like the Matrix, the way that Morpheus hands down years worth of knowledge to Neo. I feel like Tony's done the same with me. You really have to see it to believe it, because I've seen it. I've seen the other engineers that Tony has trained. We're talking guys with little to no experience who are going out there and doing some of the most complicated jobs, going from 0 to 80,000 in a year. I've met the other engineer who's out there as we speak doing these jobs, and I think he's in month number 2. So obviously it's hard to gauge from a video, but I'm living testament to how quickly it can be learnt, you know, using Tony's method. So if you are watching this, and like I said, you want to be, you know, the top of the tree, you want to be a masterful engineer, this is the real deal. You need to come, listen to Tony, do the things that Tony's telling you to do, because he breaks these complicated things down very, very quickly to the level where I can understand it almost within an hour. I mean, I was finding faults on an S-plan within about 45 minutes. And previously to that, I'd not picked up a multimeter in my life. So again, if you want to learn, you know, the real deal, you need to come and meet Tony and do the training.
Hey everyone, I hope you learnt something from that video, because that was really, really good. Anyway, before I go, I've got some exciting news to share with you. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to be running a series of boiler repair opportunity web classes. Now these start at 8:30 every evening. So when you get home and relax, then you should be ready to attend. So on this web class, you're going to get an insight on how to repair boilers the right way. Plus, you'll also see the full spectrum of heating systems, controls, multimeter testing, and even Honeywell Y and S-Plan systems. So, if you want to find out more about the boiler repair training opportunity web class, just click on the link below. Bye for now, and I'll see you on the next video.